Hello, welcome to the channel. Myself, Prapti Jaiswal, and I welcome you all to Prapti's Holistic Homeo. In this video, we are going to see a most important question from Anatomy Paper 2. And students who ask me that we heard that paper pattern is gonna change. So, अभी तक ऐसा कोई भी final decision has not come up. So, according to that, 28 marks is for thorax, 37 marks is for abdomen and pelvis, and for lower limb we have 27 marks. So, from thorax, 2 LAQ will be asked, and I have provided all the important questions of each and every subjects and what will be coming specifically for LAQ, and I have made one video long back in which I had included all the important questions which can be asked from that particular topic. So I would suggest you to first see if you are done with the important LAQ questions, then I would like to suggest you to see my previous video in which I had included all the important questions, and 90% of the questions you will see exactly same because question come from the PYQ only. So I would like you all to go and check that video and share it with your friends, and people come across and say that they have shared it with your friends, so thank you so much for that. So now what I will be doing is I will be uploading 2 videos per day, and I'll try to include all the important questions. So stay tuned for that, and you can surely suggest me what questions you all want me to cover. So in thorax, अभी तो तुमने देख ही लिया होगा वीडियो में क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस लिखे हैं, एंड मैनी पीपल जस्ट स्किप इट आउट, आई नो दैट. सो फर्स्ट इज मीडियास्टिनम. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये मेजरली ये LAQ के लिए पूछा जाता है, एंड दिस हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड इन 2024. सो इसमें से जो सुपीरियर और इन्फीरियर वाला है, सो उसमें से भी सुपीरियर वाला सेपरेटली एक 5 मार्क्स के लिए भी पूछ सकते हैं SAQ के लिए, बट इफ़ दे आस्क्ड डायरेक्टली मीडियास्टिनम, सो इट विल बी फॉर LAQ. देन फ्रॉम द लंग्स में दे कैन आस्क लंग एज अ होल इंक्लूडिंग देयर रूट्स, या फिर रूट्स अलग से भी पूछ सकते हैं, या तो फिर लंग्स में भी दे कैन आस्क राइट लंग और लेफ्ट लंग. सो इन 2024 right lung has been asked. Then heart, from heart they can ask right atrium majorly, or any ventricles they can ask, but right atrium is an important one for LAQ. Then roots of lung, then thoracic inlet and outlet is important. Then azygous vein, this can be asked for 10 marks, and it is easy if you understand it. Okay. Then esophagus and diaphragm, ये तुमको थोड़ा सा सिमिलर लग सकता है, मतलब सिमिलर नहीं है, ऑफ कोर्स these two are very different things, but the pattern of writing the answer is same. So these are the important questions for LAQ, and thorax wala part is simpler and easy scoring, so you cannot afford leaving any question for that. I hope that you cover at least all the important one, and I can assure you that you will pass the examination for sure. Okay. From abdomen and pelvis, so from the abdomen wala part, these visceral organs are important. So for like stomach, duodenum, from small intestine, then liver, spleen, pancreas and kidney, these are the organs which are very important, and in 2024 liver has been asked. Okay, so these are the topics which you cannot leave, because surely one questions will be coming from these topics only. Okay. Then from from abdomen and pelvis we have 2 LAQ. So one will be asked from abdomen and one will be asked from pelvis. Okay. So from pelvis, urinary bladder and uterus are the most important one definitely they ask in the examination. Okay, so it is that much important. Then prostate gland is important. Then ischiorectal fossa is important. Okay. So people find that this is not so important. Even at our time we thought that it is not important, but it is important, and it comes in the examination. Then vermiform appendix भी एक बार देख लेना तुम लोग, जो कि ज़्यादा बार नहीं पूछा है बट पूछा भी जाता है LAQ के लिए. Okay, but these organs and this urinary bladder and uterus you cannot leave, because one question come directly from this topic only. Okay. Then from lower limb, do all the muscles, because one muscles they surely ask for SAQ. Okay, but here we are just talking about LAQ, so one LAQ will be asked from lower limb. All joints are important. Paper 1 में you will be having joints from upper limb, and in paper 2 you will be having joints from lower limb, and one joint will be present in your examination. So for sure 3 जॉइंट अपर लिम से है, 3 जॉइंट लोअर लिम से है, तीनों भी अच्छे से कर लो. ओके. अटेम्प्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, आता है नहीं आता है जो भी उससे रिलेटेड तुम्हें पता है लिख लो. ओके. एंकल जॉइंट विच पीपल थिंक दैट इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट इट हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड इन 2024. देन फ्रॉम नर्व्स, femoral nerve, obturator nerve, and sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve is an important question, and a student has asked me to upload video on all the nerves and arteries, so I will try to upload it. बिकॉज मैंने मेरे टाइम पे ये सारे नर्व्स एंड आर्टरीज बहुत अच्छे से बहुत ही शॉर्ट फॉर्म में पढ़ा था और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी पढ़ाया था, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न दैट इज़ द रीज़न विच मेड मी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट या आई कैन टीच. एंड लाइक I was very passionate about teaching since my childhood, but still when I taught anatomy, physiology to my friends, and especially I taught it to one of my friend at my time only when we were appearing for their examination, and she had literally just not started with her studies, but I made, like, we both studied together. She referred my notes, she studied, I made her explain, she made me explain some topics which she had not completed, and she passed the examination without any grace marks, all clear. So that gave me a confidence ki yeah, we can do this, and how it works, and how people can pass in their examination, how you can make them pass in the examination. So that is one plus point for me. Then from artery, femoral artery, popliteal artery, and anterior and posterior tibial artery, and arteria dorsalis pedis is important. I hope you can see. So these were the important questions from anatomy paper 2. Sorry for posting it so late as I was on break, but I hope it helped you all, and thank you for watching, and all the very best for your examination. I hope you do well. If you are my subscriber, I would want all my subscribers to pass in their examination, and after your examination we will be coming up with the second year series, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to share it with your friends, with your juniors, so that they can also get the benefit out of this video. And thank you for watching.